How to change the video title or description on YouTube. Need to correct a typo or update details in a YouTube video? Here's how to change your video's title and description using the iPhone or desktop. Start by opening the YouTube Studio app if you haven't downloaded it yet. You can get it from the App Store. Sign in with your account if needed. Go to the Content tab and tap the video that you want to edit. This takes you to the videos, details, analytics, and editing options. Tap on the pencil icon. From here you can edit your video's title and description. Make sure it's clear, searchable, and keyboard rich for performance. Once you've made the updates, hit save at the top right. Your changes will reflect almost immediately on your YouTube. And that's it. Whether it's fixing a mistake or improving SEO, updating titles and descriptions is quick and easy. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.